Hello again, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Difference quotient regarding square roots. And let's do it. Index 8, and you'll come to my menu here. We're going to scroll down to what's asked in your test problem. Do the difference quotient. Define the definition of derivative. So we scroll down here to difference quotient, press enter, and we're into the program. Always write the formula on your paper first, okay? Sometimes delta x might be used from your professor for the character h, so do that. Anytime you see an h, you're going to put delta x, okay? And then you're going to have to just look at my program and change the character as you go through it. Enter the function here. You have to press alpha first in any of my programs. And so the function we're going to enter is 7 times second, which is the time sign, which is the square root sign, x plus 13, x plus 13, close off the parentheses. Press enter. Here's what you've entered. I'll just show you that so you can change it in case you made a mistake. It's what we entered, so that's cool. It's busy loading the program. And we're entering x plus h for every one of these x's in the function, all over h. We get rid of the radicals by squaring them. Here's the denominator with h. We're going to multiply the same thing up here in the top, which you can do. It's equals 1, so you can multiply whatever you think up on the bottom of the denominator and put it in the top. Right now we're going to add the radicals and put it in the top here too, which gets rid of these, okay? When you multiply a radical times a radical, it becomes a not radical, okay? We multiply them out. We've gotten rid of the radicals. Here it is here, the problem. You still have the radicals in the bottom, of course. We expand the numerator. Turns out to be this. Combine the numerator, turns out to be 7h. We divide the h out, becomes 7. And then we have this remaining in the denominator. Okay, now there's an h here, so as h approaches 0, which is the definition of, or the rule when you're dealing with limits, as h approaches, in this case, h is approaching 0, so when it equals 0, the h comes out. And we have x plus 13 plus square root of x plus 13. So we get 2 times the square root of x plus 13, which is the answer. We sum the denominator, okay? So this is all basic algebra. I mean, this is very difficult. Who knows algebra this good? But I mean, you can study it for weeks and know it, but I mean, who wants to study it? Who needs to study it? It's a complete waste of time. So use my programs and pass calculus, okay? So have a good one. everystepcalculus.com